Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to go live on Instagram. So let's see how to do it. First open your Play Store and check update Instagram is updated. If it's available for updates, just update and open it. And tap on plus icon and select your audience. You can select everyone, close friend and others, and you can change your filter. You can see many filter. After select filter, tap on live option. Unfortunately, I don't have 1K follower. If you have 1K follower or more, we'll be able to create live videos. I hope understand. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.